In the Hathras tragedy, some big questions are still unanswered. The death toll in one of the worst tragedies in recent memory in Hathras has climbed to 121. The police have filed an FIR against the organizers, accusing them of hiding evidence and flouting conditions, with 2.5 lakh people crammed into a venue in which only 80,000 were permitted. A pile of slippers at the spot were mute testimony to the tragedy that had befallen so many. The question now is, where is Suraj Pal, the self-proclaimed godman, the preacher who conducted the satsang? He remaining missing even as the police launches a search for him, and his name is also not in the list of accused, though it is there in the complaint. So he's not been named in the FIR, but he has been named in the complaint. What does the FIR say? Let's take a look and let's break down the details for you. Let's first take a look at the lapses. Permission was for 80,000 people to be present at the venue, but 2.5 lakh people were present during the religious congregation. This is as per the FIR. The organizers did not help the victims. Remember, in fact, details came out that those were the people, the organizers, who stopped them from approaching the godmen and then pushed them as well. Security stopped crowd, which led to the chaos. Entry and the exit was not clearly demarcated, which led to a lot of confusion. No trained medical personnel was present on site. In case there is such a tragedy, there was no arrangement to provide medical aid to people. Baba's cavalcade route not barricaded, which is the reason why you had so many people rushing towards his carcade, and that's when the incident happened. Not enough volunteers provided on site. Permission was for 80,000 people. 2.5 lakh attended the congregation, and there were not enough volunteers present on the site to manage the situation and to manage the event. Now, a day after the stampede, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited the hospitalized victims and has also announced a high-level probe led by ADG Agra and the Aligarh Police Commissioner. An FIR has also been registered in the case, and some glaring lapses have come to fore. We just played out the details of the lapses. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now also ordered a judicial inquiry into the case.
हम लोग इस बात को किसी भी प्रकार से डिनाई नहीं कर सकते कि इस प्रकार की घटना केवल एक हादसा नहीं होता है। अगर हादसा भी है तो उसके पीछे कौन जिम्मेदार है, और अगर वह घटना घटित हुई है तो इसके पीछे हादसा नहीं तो साजिश किसकी है, कौन इसके पीछे है। इन सभी पहलुओं को लेकर के राज्य सरकार ने तय किया है कि हम इसका एक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी करवाएंगे, और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी हाईकोर्ट के एक रिटायर्ड जज की अध्यक्षता में होगी।
The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is also responding to the political reactions coming in, and the UP CM took on the Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav, who earlier blamed BJP government for the deaths. This is what the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh said.
इस तरह की घटनाएं दोबारा ना हो, उसके लिए प्रशासन को और सरकार को जिम्मेदारी से काम करना पड़ेगा, और इस तरह के बड़े आयोजन में कोई न कोई एसओपी बना करके रखनी चाहिए। उच्च स्तरीय जांच क्या है, दिल्ली सरकार उनकी है, यूपी सरकार उनकी है। अगर आपको जांच करनी है तो जो कवरेज आप लोग दे रहे हो, जो ईमानदारी से आपकी कवरेज आ रही है, उन्हीं तस्वीरों को देख करके सरकार को सोचना चाहिए कि सरकार ने क्या किया है। क्या यही रास्ता विश्वगुरु बनने का है? क्या यही रास्ता 5वीं अर्थव्यवस्था का है? और यही रास्ता है कि तीसरी अर्थव्यवस्था बन जाओगी दुनिया की? अरे दुनिया की अर्थव्यवस्था नहीं बनना, बनो ना बनो, ऑक्सीजन तो दे दो, दवाई तो दे दो, इमरजेंसी में किसी की मदद तो कर दो।
देखिए, कुछ लोगों की एक प्रवृत्ति होती है कि इस प्रकार के दुखद और दर्दनाक घटनाओं में भी वे राजनीति भूलते हैं, और ऐसे लोगों की ये फितरत है कि चोरी भी और सीना चोरी भी। यह हर व्यक्ति जानता है कि सज्जन के फोटो किसके साथ में है, उनके राजनीतिक संबंध किन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। जो लोग निर्दोष लोगों के जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं, और उनकी जवाबदेही भी इसके साथ तय होती है।
Well, we have our reporters Tetri and Priyank joining us in the broadcast with more details. Tetri, there has been an allegation that political patronage is being provided, that there are attempts being made to save the Baba. And the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh today, in fact, responding to all of that and the political reaction said, of course, that it should not be politicized. He also said, Sajjan ki kis-kis ke saath tasveerein sabne dekha hai. A jibe at Akhilesh Yadav?
Certainly, since this incident has taken place, after which 116 people have lost their lives, several are also injured. The political blame game has begun since yesterday. Remember that it was Akhilesh Yadav first who alleged that it was the BJP who is in fact who did not pay attention to this particular event, and in fact the administration was sleeping, and for that BJP, the government is responsible for this. Number one. Number two, if we talk about the government, then the government says that this particular issue should not be politicized, and then the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself says that there is a need to probe that is there some larger conspiracy or it was just an accident. So this particular statement made by the Chief Minister himself says a lot that what kind of conspiracy it is, if it was any conspiracy. Was there some other angle apart from the accident, apart from the things that we have been reporting, apart from the things that have been allegedly leveled up against the administration and the organizers as well? Is there something else apart from this, or it is just up to the accident? The things will only be decoded after the investigation is, after investigation unfolds or after the investigation is complete. But yes, as of now, what we can learn is that the committees are formed and the government is in full action to take to take this particular investigation forward. And today itself, the Chief Minister visited the hospital and the spot.
Absolutely. But still, like I said, big questions haven't been answered. Baba's name or the self-styled Godman's name is not in the FIR. It is there in the complaint, but he has not been named in the FIR. Why? Now, let's bring on the details of what transpired. Priyank, stay on with us. I'll come back to you for more details. A satsang in Uttar Pradesh by self-styled Godman Suraj Pal has resulted in absolute chaos and tragedy as a stampede resulted in the death of over 120 people. Now, the people who were once followers of Suraj Pal are criticizing the Baba for playing with the lives of people. Listen into the angry reactions of the kin of deceased.
जी हम करीब 7 साल से जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो सबके साथ में जो प्रक्रिया फिलहाल में तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, लेकिन बाद में हमें कुछ परेशानियाँ आ गई बीच में। जब परेशानियाँ पत्नी की मतलब दिक्कत पड़ गई, तो इस वजह से फिर हमने धीरे धीरे आना जाना हमने बंद कर दिया और कहीं से हमें लाभ नहीं मिला कर दिया।
जब आप वहाँ आश्रम पे जाते थे तो आपने देखा होगा कैसे सेवादार लोग रहते थे, क्या व्यवस्थाएं थी? सेवादार की अलग वर्दी थी, बहनों की अलग वर्दी थी, तो व्यवस्थाएं तो सब वहाँ अच्छी थी।
We are inside this ward where all these patients who were injured in this unfortunate incident have been, admitted, and as you can see, these are the women who are critically injured. This is a child who had also sustained serious injuries, and the doctors are treating him. It is very important for the doctors also to treat these patients at this moment, knowing the fact that 116 people have lost their life. They have been, senior citizens who are also injured. Amma, अभी आपको कहाँ चोट लगा है?
ये सारी देह टूटी पड़ी है, दर्द हो रहा है।
भाग दौड़ मचली करी, वहाँ पे गिर गई। हाँ, अधीरा बांध रहे, आगे थे पीछे थे, कभी आगे बांध दो कभी पीछे बांध दो, आदमी ये।
कितने हजार लोग आए मम्मा? कितने हजार लोग? ढेर सारे लोग थे।
हाँ, 7-6 लाख आदमी हो।
लाखों आदमी थे।
हाँ।